In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Binance Earn to your spot wallet. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can do it with ease. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your crypto efficiently and confidently. Let's begin by first logging into your Binance account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in, navigate to the wallet section on your dashboard. You'll see a drop-down menu from which you should select Earn. This is where you manage the holdings that are currently accruing interest or otherwise engaged in earning activities. Seeing your portfolio here gives you a great overview of what your crypto investments are doing for you. Next, look through your list of cryptocurrencies until you find the one you want to transfer to your spot wallet. This list contains all the crypto assets you have set up in various earn products on Binance. Once you've found your desired crypto, you'll notice an option to redeem or transfer to spot. Click on that. This action will initiate the process of moving your selected cryptocurrency to your spot wallet, where it's more liquid and can be easily accessed for trades or withdrawals. Now, you need to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Carefully enter the exact amount you want to move. This part is crucial, so double check the figures before proceeding. It's always a good idea to be certain of the amount to avoid any unnecessary transactions. After entering the amount, the next step is to confirm the transfer. Take a moment to review your transaction details and ensure everything is correct. When you're sure of the action, confirm it. This step finalizes the transaction process, setting things in motion for your crypto to be transferred. Once confirmed, your cryptocurrency will appear in your spot wallet almost instantly. In some cases, however, there might be a slight delay if the redemption period applies to your assets. Patience is key here. Just check your spot wallet in a moment if it doesn't appear immediately. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your cryptocurrency from Binance Earn to your spot wallet, where it's ready for your next move. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Binance Earn to spot. Remember, having full control and visibility of your assets is crucial when managing your financial investments. By consolidating your crypto in your spot wallet, you gain instant access and flexibility for future transactions. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tutorials in the world of crypto.